Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Polar H10 with Garmin devices. First, make sure your Polar H10 is comfortably strapped to your chest, ensuring good skin contact for optimal heart rate detection. Then, on your Garmin watch or bike computer, navigate to the sensor settings menu. From there, select the option to add a new sensor. Your Garmin device should quickly discover the Polar H10, which typically broadcasts as a heart rate monitor. Confirm the pairing, and you're ready to capture precise heart rate data. Transferring your game data from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5 is straightforward. Ensure both consoles are powered on and connected to the same network, either wirelessly or with a single LAN cable. Sign into your PlayStation Network account on both systems. Your PlayStation 5 will then guide you through selecting the data you wish to transfer, including games, save files, and user profiles. This process ensures all your progress moves with you. Remote Play offers incredible flexibility, letting you stream games from one PlayStation console to another. To set this up, first enable Remote Play in the settings of the console you want to control remotely. Then, download the free PS Remote Play application on your other PlayStation system. Log in with your PlayStation Network account on both devices, and you will be ready to connect and play your favorite titles from anywhere in your home. Your PlayStation 5 is fully backward compatible, meaning you can enjoy nearly all your PlayStation 4 games directly on your new console. Simply insert a PlayStation 4 game disc into your PlayStation 5 or download your digital titles from the PlayStation Store. Many games will even benefit from enhanced performance, offering smoother frame rates and improved visual fidelity. It is a fantastic way to revisit your classic favorites with a fresh new look.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.